Welcome to DelphStack. In this tutorial, we will explore how to compare two files in Ubuntu. This guide is perfect for beginners and intermediate users aiming to identify differences between text files. Let's compare two files, doc.txt and doc-2.txt. First, we will use the diff command. This shows a side-by-side comparison and highlights what needs to change in file 1 to make it identical to file 2. If you need a byte-level comparison, use the cmp command. This tells you the first byte and line where the files differ. Next, we will use the comm command, which compares shorted files line by line. The output tip displays 3 columns, lines only in file 1, lines only in file 2, and lines common in both files. If you prefer a visual comparison, use the vimdiff command. First, make sure it's installed. If not, run the following command. Then use the following command to launch a side-by-side visual comparison. This will highlight the differences clearly with color. To exit, type Q to quit a single window or Q to quit all at once. And that's it. Today we have various methods to compare files in Ubuntu. For more tutorials, like and subscribe to DelphStack.